These harissa honey carrots are roasted to perfection, tossed in a harissa honey glaze, and served over a garlicky yogurt sauce. It's one of those side dishes that feels hearty and impressive enough to serve on its own, but it also makes a super impressive side dish on your holiday table or for any special occasion. The recipe is super simple, so let me show you how to make it. We're starting with a pound of trimmed and peeled carrots. I like to try and find a medium-sized carrot just so it doesn't take forever to roast in the oven. And then we're just adding some olive oil and salt and pepper, keeping it really simple at this stage so that we get the true essence of those carrots before we add our harissa honey glaze. So just toss these in that oil and salt and pepper before adding to a 400-degree oven and roasting for about 20 minutes. Now I like to check these at the halfway point and just toss them around so that they're cooking evenly on both sides. And while these are roasting, we're going to make our garlic yogurt sauce. So this sauce is definitely inspired by tzatziki sauce, but it's a little bit stripped down and simpler. So we're adding lemon juice, salt, and freshly grated garlic to some Greek yogurt. I really like grating in the garlic because I just feel like it allows that flavor to quickly infuse into that yogurt. And then we're just mixing all of this together until it is evenly combined. And then you can pop this back in the fridge and let it chill until we're ready to serve. Once that's done, we're going to move on to our harissa honey glaze. It's nice to have this prepped ahead of time so that once the carrots are done, we can toss this immediately onto them. Now this glaze could not be simpler. It's just a combination of honey and some harissa. If you've never worked with harissa before, this is a North African hot sauce that's infused with preserved lemons and spices and red peppers for a really unique hot sauce with a lot of depth to it. It's perfect paired with something sweet like honey and great for using on vegetables, meats, you name it. So we're mixing these together until they are evenly combined, and then they make this really fantastic glaze that's going to go directly on those carrots. I've also tested this recipe using this glaze at the very beginning, and it just didn't work out the same. The honey and the harissa kind of burnt in the oven, and it just wasn't as good as using it as kind of a finishing glaze as we are here. So that's why we're adding this glaze on at the very end of the roast for these carrots, tossing them once they're already fork tender in that glaze, and then returning them to the oven just for about 5 minutes until that glaze is nice and bubbly and it begins to kind of caramelize that honey. And then we're ready to serve. So I like to start with that garlicky yogurt that's been chilling in the fridge on the base of our serving platter. And then we'll add all of our carrots. And then for the garnish, I like to use either minced parsley, or if your carrots came with carrot tops, that's a great way to use them. And then any of those pan drippings that you can get from that roasting pan are also a great garnish here, plus a little bit of flaky salt for good measure. And from there, you are ready to enjoy. If you give these a try, let me know in the comments, and I will see you next time.